Hey, Coach Greg here with Svelte Training. Today we're going to be doing a Sweet Dreams gentle bedtime stretches routine for you. This will be great if you've been working all day, you feel stiff, you feel stuck. You'll get loosen up those joints, those muscles, your body, so you can have a great night's sleep. So let's get started. We're going to be doing 2 sets. The first set is going to be me more explaining and demonstrating the exercises as you follow along, while the second set will be a more complete run through of all these stretches, just so you know what to put together when you are about to go to bed. So without further ado, let's get started with that first stretch. We're going to start off with some gentle neck rolls. We're going to put 30 seconds on, so you can sit, you can stand, whatever you feel comfortable with. This is time for you to relax, to take it all in if you're outside like me, to enjoy nature. So let's get started. 30 seconds on, and we're just going to start rolling our neck gently in one direction. We just want to go all the way around like so. Then we're going to go the other way. Try not to get yourself too dizzy. If you go too fast, you're going to get dizzy. We don't want to force anything. This is a wind down. We just want to loosen up that neck. You can go up and down. You can go side to side. Whatever you feel comfortable with. Let's do a couple more rolls. 1, 2, and 3. I feel good. Next exercise, we're gonna do some forward bends. It's funny because the normal exercise for this is called good morning, so maybe we'll call them good evenings. That's when you just hinge from your hips and go down like this. But we're gonna try to, we'll start with that, right? You'll stand up tall and you'll hinge from your hip, bending backward, trying to keep that back flat. And then as you get to here, we just want you to slide your hands down your knees, down your shins. And then when you get to your, the point where you can't keep your back straight anymore, we're just gonna round that back and extend all the way down to our feet. Kind of just like kick your knees out like so. And then we're just gonna stand back up slowly, just like that. So let's put 30 seconds on. And here we go. Again, flat back. There you go. Put those knees out. And then as your hands reach down, you can bend that back, reach for your toes. Feels so good. And if you have to do this seated, you can just extend or reach for your toes as you are seated down. And then reach. Now let all those worries go away. Great job. Next, we're gonna get down on the ground. I don't have my mat with me, but if you're not scared of grass like I'm not, then you're in good company. We're gonna be doing some supine knee to chest stretches. You're just going to extend as far out as you can. And all we're doing is alternating between bringing one of our legs close to our chest, like so. We really just wanna pull. And again, we wanna be gentle. This is just a way to just loosen up and get rid of all that stiffness from the day. And then we're just extending out, and then we're switching sides to our next leg. So let's just put 30 seconds on, and here we go. All right, really pull that knee to you. Make sure you're focusing on your breathing. Breathe in and out. Extend it. Let's bring that other leg up. Really pull that knee to your chest, almost as if you're trying to hug it. There you go. Extend that foot out. Let's do one more on each side. We're just trying to loosen up those muscles, loosen up those joints. This should feel good. This shouldn't feel like a workout. This should feel like a reward for your hard work of the day. And there you go. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. And last exercise, we have the supine twist. You're just gonna wanna lay back down. I love this because it's so gentle on your body. You're just gonna raise your knees in as if they're a 90-degree angle. And all we're doing is dropping them to one side, keeping our hands over as such. And all we're doing is we're just trying to reach over our other arm and look over our opposite shoulder. And we just want to breathe into this stretch. You should feel it all up in here. It's really good for your spine mobility, for your legs. And we just want to be gentle and just like breathe ourselves into it. So let's put 30 seconds on. We'll do 15 seconds each side. Here we go. Remember, 90-degree angle of your legs. Reach over. Just open up that body. Make sure we're breathing. There you go. This grass feels great, especially with the sunset. Feels really nice. All right, let's switch over to our other side. Like I said, legs 90-degree angles, put over to one side and reach over. Really breathe into your body. Don't focus on, troubles of earlier. Just it's gonna be nighttime. We have a new day coming. Just focus on that. Couple more seconds here. One more big breath in and out. And there you go. All right, great job. Now that you know all the movements, let's get started on that second set. As Coach Gabby always says, less talking, more doing. We're starting with those gentle neck rolls. 30 seconds, and here we go. And again, feel free to freestyle them. Goal is just to loosen up your neck. Couple more seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. All right, next we have forward bends. Remember, stand tall or sit tall. 30 seconds on, and here we go. Really reach down, and then bend that back, fold over. Let those arms hang, move from side to side. Here we go, a couple more seconds. Stay in this position. 3, 2, and 1. All right, last exercise is on the ground. We have our supine knee to chest stretches. Lay on down, 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Just alternate between pulling that knee to that chest. Give your knees a hug for being so stable for you all day. There you go. Let's do one more. And release. And last one, we have supine twists. Remember, legs 90-degree angles, 15 seconds each side. Here we go. Extend out. Just breathe. Look over the opposite shoulder. Just release everything. All right, 15 seconds the other side. Here we go. Three, 2, and 1. Oh, I feel so good. There you have it. That was your Sweet Dreams gentle bedtime stretches. I hope you liked it because I really did. Feel free to do these stretches in the morning, at night. You can go longer than 30 seconds because they are actually very gentle for you on your body, so you're not going to hurt yourself, and more likely than not, you may even fall asleep in these positions, to be honest. But if you like this video, make sure you share it with some friends. Click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping, and I hope you have a great night. Coach Greg out. Peace.